Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Just grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat if you want. Sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny chat. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday, and it is one of my favorite videos to get to do for you guys during the week because I get to showcase all the different projects and stuff that you guys are working on that's in your WIP carts. My WIP carts right here, I'm using my black one for the moment. I do have, actually I have three, but I only use two. I have one in my yarn room, and then I have one that I keep in my living room area in this space that I'm in right now. This is my patio that's behind me. I tried having the camera turned to where you can see through both windows, but the way the sun is coming in, it's like a big ball of light. And so I can only show through the one window. So yeah, maybe if I get up a little bit earlier next time, I can film, because normally, I mean, this is late that I'm up. Normally I'm up a lot earlier than this, guys. So maybe next time I'll be able to film with both windows, and you can see even a better view of the outdoors. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I guess, well, first I'd like to say thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel, for hitting the like, and for all the comments, and for watching my video, giving me the watch hours. I am, I don't know, maybe less than 400 away from 20K. 20K. Oh my gosh, I am just blown away. Thank you guys. It's all because of you guys. All I do is get on here and show off the things that I'm making and create patterns and stuff. It's you guys that are helping this channel grow. And I just want to give you a big shout out to each and every one of you. The members of my channel, oh my gosh, I appreciate you guys so much. The subscribers to my channel, I can't live without any of you guys. I could not even be doing this if it wasn't for you guys. So yeah, I just want to say thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on these WIP Caddies. It is where I get to showcase the WIP cards that you guys are working on. And I just love doing that. And I love the feedback that I'm getting, that you guys are enjoying that as well. Not only do I get to show what you guys are working on, but you guys tell us where you're getting the patterns, you know, that kind of stuff. And you know, people, when they see stuff on your cart and it looks nice, they're, you know, they want to know, where did you get the pattern? So I thank you guys for sharing that as well. Yeah, so just grab you a cup of coffee. I'm drinking good old black coffee. Sit back and relax and grab you something to eat. I am eating Belvita bites this morning. And sit back and relax, and let's just watch this video clip of everyone's carts. Okay, here we have Kelly's cart, and Kelly, she says that she has her crochet hooks, stitch markers, row counters, wonder clips, buttons, and safety eyes on the top. Then hats for hat, not hate. And then she has some Premier yarn from Dollar Tree that she's using up by making a granny stitch blanket. And she said that she had to get that yellow basket that I also bought from Michael's. And it is such a pretty basket, isn't it? Because she loves yellow. And then of course she put my logo on her cart, and she made a chapstick holder from my chapstick pattern. So I will leave the link below for that. Now here we have Mardell's cart. Says top shelf shows her finished and unfinished amigurumi projects, and boy, those look so cool. The second level shows her finished patriotic blanket, which it is gorgeous. Thank you for participating. And the bottom level stores her empty project bags. Let's see, the basket to the right holds the chevron blanket from Bag O' Day. Thank you for sharing that. And the other basket is an unfinished blanket. So here we have Julie's cart, and she says the top shelf, she's making a scarf with sock yarn. She's not following her pattern for it. She said, you can't tell from the photo, but it is a net pattern. She says, on the top shelf is a pot holder done in the thermal stitch. And finally, on the top shelf is a knitted scarf. It all looks beautiful up there. The middle shelf is still the granny jacket that she's hoping to finish soon. And boy, it sure is pretty. I love those colors. The bottom shelf still has the scrap yarn blanket done in half double crochets. Finally, she has a rectangular granny square blanket, and it is a Jada and Stitches pattern. And if you go to the Facebook group page, she actually left links to those patterns. So thank you for that. Okay, here we have Kathy's cart. Kathy has on the top shelf a Serenity shawl and a Tunisian cowl. They're both on hold while working on the second shelf project, which is another Tunisian crochet patriotic throw in red, white, and blue. And it is gorgeous, Kathy. The motifs on the second shelf are some of the Bod Sesame Street squares that she's working on, and the bottom shelves are some tools. Okay, here we have Kathleen's cart. She says the top shelf has a pink hooded baby blanket gift with 2 crochet roses to be sewn on, little topper, hat kits, and yarn. The middle shelf is her patriotic throw, stars and stripes blanket, and thank you so much for participating in that. It's beautiful. The bottom shelf holds a yellow granny square baby afghan made with Line Brand ice cream yarn in sunshine yellow, a teal practice piece of crochet as she learns a new stitch by Crystal from Bag O'Day, a crochet dishcloth, and under these several of her favorite crochet and knitting books, and a bag of tools. Okay guys, wasn't that nice? There's some beautiful projects going on there. I loved it. So now I get to share what's on my cart. I do have my cart, it's right here, and this is one of the baskets that I'm working out of. I just finished some projects, so let me go to a video clip and show you. Let me put my coffee down real quick. I just finished the Harry Potter and Hermione outfit. I don't know how to pronounce her name. But anyway, let me go show you the video clip where I show this a little bit more up close for you guys. Okay, so here are all the pieces to the Harry Potter outfit. I made a pair of shoes with little socks attached to it, a pair of pants, there's the hat, there's the little skirt and the top, and there's the scarf and the little coat. So if you want the pants instead of the skirt, you have that. You can put the jacket on it, or the the coat. The top buttons in the back. The coat, I did put a little buttonhole on the front. You don't have to do that. I think it's mostly kind of left open anyway. But yeah, that's the Harry Potter and Harmonia. And then whatever that other little boy. Anyway, that's the Harry Potter uniform, school uniform set that I made for the 18-inch dolls. All right, there's the little boy. Now, if you're going to make this for the My Life little boy doll, the pants may be a little big for the pattern for him. He has no rear, no butt, so he's flat as a flitter. So what you may need to do is just, when you start off, just make the little waist a little smaller, because you can see that it fits in the length and everywhere else, and the top fits. Okay, so now I've got the hat on him, the coat, and his little scarf. So. Okay, so here's the colors that I used. This is actually like a steel gray. This is black. This is a light gray. This is like the gold. And then I used, it's like a dark red. They're just basically, this one doesn't have a tag on it. This one is big twist. Big twist. This one is Premier Basic. And what was this one? I think this was the gold. I think it's a big twist. No, that's the medium. That was my medium gray. And I don't have any more medium gray in here. I used every bit of it. And then my gold, I don't know, I didn't have a label for it either. So those are the colors that I used for the Harry and Harmonia. I don't even know if I'm saying her name right, but you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, now here's the girl. I just took the jacket off of her. And I wanted to show you, like I mentioned earlier, about the boy. See, he's flat. He has no rear. And so a lot of the clothes that I make for these 18-inch dolls, I have an issue of getting the pants to fit him. And for make one actually for him, I would just make the waist smaller, because like I said, they fit everywhere else. Everything else fits, the hats and the shirts and the shoes and, you know, all that good stuff. It's just getting the pants to fit because he has no rear. So anyway, so that's her. Okay, this outfit will actually be on sale in my Etsy shop probably later this week. My testers are working on it right now, and they are doing a fabulous job. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so, so much for that. So yeah, this one will go out this week. I tell you what, someone emailed me of some patterns that they would be interested in me making. So I'm not sure where that email is. So if you're watching this, please email me again and tell me what kind of patterns you're looking for, because I'm ready to start on a new one and I don't have anything in my head. So, you know, if there's something that you're looking for, please email me and I'll see what I can come up with. So this is what's on my WIP Caddy today. My sister Tanya, thank you Tanya, she made this basket for me. And I am working on one of my Annie's monthly crochet kit. I think it's the one that is Love to Crochet. That's it. I'm using an MN 9.0 millimeter crochet hook. And the yarn, I'm not too thrilled with the yarn, but I like the yarn when it's worked up. So that's it right there. Lovely Latgan. It's from Annie's. It is my monthly subscription that I get. This is the yarn here. And it's 80% acrylic, 20% nylon. It's a bulky 5, is what it says. Anyway, let me show you where I'm at. It's not my favorite yarn to work with, but I love the feel of this. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I can't wait to be finished with it. Looking great. Look at this, guys. Let's see. There's the bottom. And there we are. So there it is. Pretty cool, isn't it? Anyway, I am loving this, and I am almost finished. It came with 2 skeins of this, and this is what I have left. What happened, this right here, is it was inside here. I put my finger in there to pull out the yarn, and when I did, this big wad came up, but it's actually the outside. And I was like, no, I'm not about to work on the outside. I don't like working on the outside. So I went back in on the other side, and it was just hollow in there. And I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna find it? I just pulled some yarn out. And, but I got it. So now I'm working on the inside. And then that's just a little clump that I had originally pulled out. So I'm just leaving it in the basket. But that's all I have left. And that's my second skein. Let me see, does it say how many yards are in here? Oh, 270 yards per skein. And there's 2 of them. So that's what they sent me for my kit. And I do have my grandson today, but we may be on the road some, so I may be able to finish this today. If not, it will be tomorrow. And so I'm really looking forward to having this done. It is just let's see, you do row 3, 4, and 5. It's a 3-row repeat is all it is. It's a row 3, and then row 4 and 5 is the same exact thing, practically. So anyway, yeah, I'm looking forward to having this done. I'm loving this. So far on this Annie's Love to Crochet, I've been working really hard to finish each kit as I get it. So my next kit is from them is this right here, to make this lacy mesh shawl. And there's the colors up there. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to that. That's why I've got it out. It's going to go right in this basket right here. Don't forget that the deadline for the entry for the crochet along for the blanket is June the 30th. I believe the winner is going to be drawn on July the 1st. There will be a two $50 gift card winners. So go to my Facebook group page and you can see what's going on. That's a lot of fun. Everyone that has entered it seems to be really enjoying it, and the ones that aren't doing it, they don't have time to do it at this time, you guys seem to really enjoy it as well, because I'm reading your positive comments that you're saying about it. So, well, let's go ahead and read our 365 days of prayer. It says, bloom, grow in the grace and knowledge of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. To him be glory both now and forever. Amen. At 2 Peter 3:18. Lord my God, you are the source of life. I am connected to you, Father, through Jesus. I know that whatever fruit my life produces is based on the health of my root system. With my roots planted by streams of living water, they grow deep in the knowledge of you. As I grow in grace and the goodness of your person, the fruit of my life reveals that you are working in and through me. Every good thing in my life is a result of your constant presence of feeding and pruning my character. Let the fruit of my life reveal the sweetness of your kingdom, fruit that nourishes the hungry and satisfies the curious. You are nothing if not good. As I grow in the light of your kindness, may my life come into full bloom for your glory. All the days of my life are yours. God, have your way. And then it says, do you see the fruit of God's kingdom at work in your life as you grow in him? Yes, I do. This was really good this time, as it always is each day. But that was pretty cool that they compared to root system. That's really cool. I like that. I'd like to say thank you to Doris from Rose Cottage Studio. She is such a sweet lady and so knowledgeable. Oh my goodness, she's knowledgeable. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you, Doris, because she has been binge watching my videos, and I really, really appreciate that. Summer is coming. I'm sure all of us YouTubers, views are going down some as summer's here, and she has offered to go through my playlist and watch all my videos to help me with my watch hours. And she just sometimes she'll leave a comment with a heart, and a couple of hearts or something like that. And I just want to say thank you, Doris. And in return, I am doing hers. And the only thing is, I forget to leave comments sometimes, because since I've watched her videos already, what I do is I put hers on play, and then I turn the volume down, and I sit there and crochet and watch TV. And then every now and then I look over and it may be on another video, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to leave a comment. And so when I do catch that the video is, when I look over, I try to look over, every 10 minutes, 15 minutes or something like that. And when I see that it's on another video, I just comment real quick, and then I go back to watching TV and crocheting. So guys, if you can do that for your favorite YouTubers, we would all appreciate it. It's, just let it play, whatever device you have that you're not using at the moment. Just put your favorite YouTuber, put their channel on, go to their playlist and put their channel on, and just let it roll. That is really, really helping us, especially with summer here and our watch hours are down. So, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to throw that in there for you guys, because a lot of you may not even realize that us as YouTubers, we need those watch hours. Okay, well, that's all that I have for this video. Hopefully, I can get back to you tomorrow or the next day and give you an update. And just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.